Alright students, today's question comes from the prestigious Indian Statistical Institute, specifically the BStat BMath entrance examination. Now let me warn you, this is not your regular chai pe charcha math. This exam tests the deep conceptual clarity, clever manipulation and sometimes your patience. So if you crack this, you are basically telling math, I see your tricks and I raise you logic. So let's come to the question first. So basically, question is asking, find the value of integration 2 to 11 1 by 1 minus x dx. Okay, so we have to find the value of this integral. Okay, now look at this integrand very carefully, 1 by 1 minus x, right? So whenever you see something like 1 by a minus x, your brain should scream the logarithm alert, because integration 1 by a minus x dx is basically minus of natural log a minus x. Okay, now apply the formula. So integration 1 by 1 minus x dx is minus of natural log 1 minus x. Okay, now why the minus sign? Because the math loves drama. If things look simple, it adds a twist. Now apply the limits from 2 to 11, right? So minus of natural log 1 minus x 2 to 11. Okay, now upper limit x equal to 11, right? So minus of natural log 1 minus 11, that is minus of natural log minus 10, that is minus natural log 10. This is mod. Okay, so this will be only 10. Now the lower limit, that is x equal to 2. So this is basically minus of natural log 1 minus 2, mod of 1 minus 2. So this is natural log mod of minus 1. So this is minus of natural log 1, that is 0. So what is the final conclusion? This is equal to minus of natural log 10 minus 0, that is minus of natural log 10. Okay, so this is our final answer for this question. Alright. Now wait, something interesting happens here. We got a negative answer for an integral. So people often say ki ma'am, area can't be negative. But listen carefully, this is a definite integral, not just area. If the function lies below the x-axis, the integral becomes negative. And here 1 by 1 minus x is, so from 2 to 11, entire graph is below the x-axis. So negative result will come. Okay. Now what is the key identity behind it? Integration 1 by x minus a dx is natural log mod of x minus a. Okay. And if it's a minus x, just flip the sign. So integration 1 by a minus x dx is minus of natural log a minus x. Okay, so what did we learn today? Logarithms are hiding everywhere like the ninjas, and minus sign appear when you least expect them, and ISI questions look simple but test your concepts deeply. Okay, so if you understood this smoothly, congratulations, you are not just solving the integrals, you are decoding the mathematics, and that is the basic need for the ISI. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. If you still have any kind of doubt regarding this, if you have any kind of problem for the concepts, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible I can. Okay, so we will meet at the next session with some new question of the ISI BStat BMath, and we will be solving this question in the next session. So that will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so don't miss that out. So we'll see you. Bye bye.